Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun and exciting video for you. This video is sponsored by Maniology. If you've been with my channel for a while, this is like a dream come true. I have always loved Maniology. I love nail art stamping and they got in contact with me, and this video is being sponsored by Maniology. So they sent me a bunch of stuff to share with you guys. Code that you can get 10% off of your order. Please use it. It does help me out. Don't forget to like this video and comment also. That helps me out as well. In the description box you're going to find a link, Maniology's website. You're going to find the 10% off code. You're also going to find links to all of these products. Thank you so very much, Maniology, for sending me all of these things, and I cannot wait to play with them. First, I'm going to share with you the items that I picked out, and then they sent extra items as well. Then I'm going to share some nail art with you guys. To get started, in Maniology packages, you'll receive one of these stickers. There's several different designs. The one I got this time is Live, Stamp, and Love. I love this. 70s vibes. I love it. Sticker. You can also buy these on their website as well. All the information you need to know will be in the description box below. For starters, I chose the Maniology Crystal Galaxy Stamping Starter Kit. These starter kits are perfect if you are new to stamping. These are perfect if you're new to stamping. These are perfect for gifts. These are also perfect if you're seasoned at nail art stamping, because these little kits here start at $18. They come with everything that you would need to start nail art stamping. In this kit, you're going to get a plate, which is M219. It has all this beautiful crystal designs, and it's incorporated with space as well. Super cute. I love it. You're also going to get a starter kit stamping guide. If you're unsure and need help with stamping and have bumps along the road, then check out the description box, because Maniology has lots of detailed videos, lots of inspiration on their YouTube channel. But details. With this kit, you also get ice cube stamper, a scraper, and you also get a smudge-free top coat and a silver stamping polish. This is everything in this box. This is all you need to get started with your nail art stamping. In addition to the stamping starter kit, I was able to pick out 2 additional plates. To go with the crystal plate, I thought this one would pair really nicely with it. It is the M354, and this is the Spooky Girl art plate. And it has like some alien stuff on there, some other space theme. I have all these ideas going through my head right now and using these plates with one another. And then the other plate is M319. This is an ombre, fade, gradient, smush marble. There's a number of things that you can use using these blank spaces on the nail art plate, and I can't wait to share them with you. And I was also able to pick out a set of stamping polishes. I picked out the Tropix collection from Maniology. This is a 6-piece set. They come so well packaged. I want you guys to see this. Like, look how well packaged these are. So, I thought these colors paired really well with the nail art idea that I have in my head. I always like to plan my manis out before I actually do my nails. So the first one is Marmalade, and it is a bright orange. Fuchsia Flame, just like the name suggests, it's a fuchsia shade. Shadow Chaser, which is a bright neon magenta shade. Teardrop, which is a bright blue. These are gorgeous. Limelight. This is like a lime green. While this one is called Soft Sage. It's a much softer green than Limelight. It's so pretty too. I cannot wait to dive into all these nail goodies. The extra goodies that they sent over are a sticky base coat, which comes so handy while doing nail art stamping and reverse stamping. They also sent me a cotton grabber, which is super cute. It says Maniology on it, and it has a pineapple on there. Push it down to grab your cotton, to clean off your plates, clean off your nails. Also, if you're interested in the nail art that I am wearing here, stay tuned because I'll have an unboxing for the August Mani Me box and a nail art tutorial doing these nails in detail. And the last thing that they sent me was the Maniology Premium Tools for Nail Artistry. This is their angled precision brush. I'm so excited for this as well. Look at how cute that is. And this is going to be perfect for cleanup. Thank you again, Maniology, for sending me all these items. Don't forget to check the description box for all the additional links and a 10% off code. Like the video, comment, subscribe. It really helps out. Thank you so much for watching, and now on to the nail art. I created 2 colorful manis using all the products I was sent. First things first, always remove the protective film from your plates. To get started, I applied 2 coats of LA Colors Energy Source as my base color. The first nail art I'm sharing is using the Crystal Galaxy Stamping Plate. I also want to show you how to swatch your stamping polishes. Choose your image, load it up with polish, and quickly close the polish cap and swipe polish over image. Roll your stamper over the image to pick it up, move quickly, and stamp over the sticker on the bottle. Clean up the plate using acetone, a cotton ball. Continue on using plate M219 and the Tropix stamping polishes. Using the orange and pink and blue stamping polishes to create a gradient on the image I want to use on this plate. Once I have my image loaded with polish, I use the scraper to scrape a few different times to create the gradient. Quickly grab the stamper and roll it over the image, picking up this amazingly beautiful design. Position it over the nail and press the design onto the nail. It picked up beautifully. Once again, clean off the plate with acetone and cotton grabber for Maniology. This is so nice, a cute little pineapple and Maniology on the side. Clean the plate after every stamp. Using a lint roller to clean my stamper head, and after every stamp, don't worry about the cuticles, I have a hack to clean up that mess. Now taking the soft green, lime green, and blue to make the next gradient. Just like before, I'll put all 3 polishes on the image, scrape over it a few times to create the fade, and roll my stamper over the image to pick it up. Position it and press it down and on the nail. Clean up plate and the stamper again. Now taking the silver stamping polish that came with the kit and the fuchsia polish from the Tropix set for an accent nail. Working with words can be tricky, so I suggest load the image with polish and let it sink into the image for a few seconds. And then scrape it and pick up with the stamper using my scraper to clean up excess stamps on the stamper. Quickly stamp it onto the nail. I love how colorful this nail art is. And clean up your plate, and now using the silver to stamp these shooting stars for the accent nail. I show my blunder here. The image didn't pick up right, so I just tried again. Load up the image, scrape, and roll your stamper over the image to pick it up. Place it on the nail under the words. Clean up your scraper for the next stamping session. Hack that I have for the cuticles is get some masking tape, and when the polish is dry, the masking tape removes it all. Cleanup is easy. Using the smudge-free top coat that comes with the kit to seal in my design. Float the top coat over the design to prevent smudging. Avoid dragging the brush against the image. Using the Maniology Angled Precision brush for further cleanup. This brush is so pretty and perfect for up close and personal cuticle cleanup. It works great. I'm using acetone on my brush for cleanup and a paper towel to wipe the brush off in between each nail. These nails are gorgeous and so much fun. I love how this manicure came out. It's so easy to achieve. Design number 2. It's a colorful vertical gradient and other spacey themes. I'm using plates M354 and M319 for this design. I'm also using all the stamping polishes from the Tropix collection to create my gradients. Starting off using the green polishes on plate M319, choose the size of color block image for your nail, load the image with polish, scrape to blend polish quickly, and roll stamper over the image to pick it up. Line it up on your nail and press it down. Clean the stamper head on the lint roller using my cotton grabber to clean up the plate. Blue and green polishes are next. Same thing, load up the image with polish, scrape to blend, and use stamper to pick up the image and place it on the nail. Now I just repeat these steps with the rest of the Tropix collection, blue and fuchsia, fuchsia and pink and orange, to create my gradients. I just love how versatile this plate is, and you can create so many nail looks and nail backgrounds. The possibilities with this particular plate are endless. I will be doing a full formative video on this plate and all the ways you can use it, so stay tuned for that. I love how easy it was to create these gradient nails. Moving on to plate M354, a fun space themed plate. Far out galaxy kind of plate, I love it. All of the images I'm going to stamp from this plate are going to use the silver polish from the Crystal Galaxy kit. Picking up words again, load up the image with polish, let it sink in to all of the grooves, and then scrape. I purposely worked slowly with this image to show you how to use the sticky base coat that was sent. Take the sticky base coat, apply a thin layer to nail, let it almost dry and become tacky. And once it's tacky, not wet, stamp the image onto the nail. Moving on to the other nails, I'm going to be using this negative space image that reminds me of Zebra Print Galaxy, and I love it. Once again, load image up with polish and scrape. Roll stamper over the image to pick it up and apply it to the nail. This is super easy to do. Anybody could nail art stamp. Clean up with the lint roller and cotton grabber, and I continue on the rest of the nails. These stamping polishes are incredibly pigmented, and the Maniology plates are always etched really well. I highly recommend them for all of your stamping needs. I love Maniology, you guys. It's definitely so easy to do, and it's so much fun if you want to spice up your nails. Back to the masking tape, I clean up all the polish on my skin. Now using the precision angled cleanup brush from Maniology with acetone. Again, taking a smudge-free top coat to seal in my stamping, making sure to float the top coat over the design, not to smear it, especially with words. Very careful while top coating over words. One last step, to fully seal in my design, I use a quick dry top coat. I love the nail designs I created today. It was so easy. I love nail art stamping. I hope you enjoyed the nail art today and found it helpful. Get your own nail stamping kit an additional 10% off by using my code HAPPILY10 on Maniology.com. Take your Mani to the next level with nail art stamping, and stay tuned for lots more nail art tutorials. Don't forget to check the description box and cards for all the Maniology links. There will also be links to all the products I use in the description box as well. Thank you so much again, Maniology, for providing all these nail art goodies. I loved creating this nail art today. Thank you so much for watching.